everybody, welcome to the channel. It's your girl Sylvia. So today I'm going to wax my underarm in this video. I'm sectioning this video into, like, you know, when I do my underarm, I do my chin, I do my pubic area, and I do my legs, so that way you can like watch whichever one that you're interested in. Okay, so before you settle in, let me just let you know that I already did my pube area. I did the video, so if you want to see that experience, guys, just go after you watch this, go and check it out, because I gave my soul for that video. Okay, so first of all, this is what I'm working with. Yes, I have dark underarm, but that's fine, it's fine. So this is the hair. The last time I waxed my hair, I think it's been a month now since I waxed my underarm, so I'm just going to get into it. So my wax is already warming up, so I'm using the DSP wax warmer, and I'm using this is the wax, oh, I'm too close. This is the wax beads that I'm using for this video. Okay, so if you want to get your wax sets, maybe the kit, and I have links in the description for the Jumia store where you can get them, and yeah, they'll deliver it straight to your doorstep. Okay, so let's get started. So before you get started, you get your talcum powder. I'm using the Johnson one, another area of my body, so I'm just going to take this and like rub those in. Let's get going. Like I said, I don't check the temperature, I just know by the consistency of the wax that I'm using. Okay, so I want to do my underarm at one go. Like, I don't want to this is getting hot. I don't want to do it twice, so I'm going to do it as we go. This is really hot. Make sure you check the temperature, like use your arm, like use your hand to touch the wax before you put it, because it could get really hot. So be careful. So my wax is getting okay, so I'm just going to wait for it to dry. Okay, so I'm ready to take it off. So I have to do it again because I didn't get all the hair. So this is like, I don't know if you can see, this is the hair. I have to do it again. Ugh. For me, waxing is one of the most painful things I've ever done to myself. Hands down, the most painful thing I've ever done to myself, because guys, can you see the way I'm breathing? Like, see how fast I'm breathing? Sorry. I feel like I have a love-hate relationship with waxing. I love the fact that, you know, it takes off the hair from the root and it gives you like before I actually grew back this hair, it took time. Unlike when I shave, like I grow hair faster when I shave, but when I wax, it takes a long time before I actually grow back my hair. So I hate the pain, but I'm still going to do it again regardless. So yeah, so this is dried now. So that is the end of the underarm waxing. I'm going to go over to my chin, and that'll be in another video, so definitely watch that. As you can see, I'm already tired. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, like this video, turn on the notification bell, leave a comment if you have any questions, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.